This video, How Dangerous is Your Home to Black Mold, is brought to you by MoldRemoval.com, the leading information website on news, videos, and how to find a mold removal contractor or tester in your area. Black mold can refer to toxigenic molds, including the Staphylococcus aureus or other molds that have the appearance of black, such as Aspergillus and Othurium. All of these molds have the potential to cause problems for you, your family, and the structure of your property. You can also be at risk for greater diseases and problems with your immune system because of toxic mold. These spores that spread are called mycotoxins, and they spread through the air. And mold will not grow, multiply, and establish colonies unless you have a problem with moisture or humidity in your home or office. Visit MoldRemoval.net for a list of articles and videos regarding your indoor air quality, because black mold can cause extensive damage to your property, costing thousands of dollars in repairs to the structure, not to mention the medical bills that can be associated with it. Visit MoldRemoval.com for a complete list of articles and videos regarding your indoor air quality.